Hello guys, today I'm back with another video where I'm going to be showing you how you open Steam. It's very simple. The first thing you want to do is that you want to search for Steam when you press the Windows key, and then you search Steam and you should see Steam pop up. Then you right click on it and then you press open file placement. And then you will see all your games and Steam is right there in a Genvej. And what you want to do is that you want to click out of it, and then you want to do a forehand with like this. And then when you have done that, you simply just right click right here. Then you hover the mouse over open. Then you click out of it and you double click Steam, and then it's going to open. It's yes, and you just have to wait a couple seconds. And while we're waiting, we can actually just go ahead and open the job list, and then you see all running things. Oh my god, on my computer desktop. So when you have opened Steam and you want to close it again, then you just have to click on Google Chrome, right click, press search online, and then you close the tab that it opens, and then you just close Task Manager and you right click here, you hover over Steam VR and you keep doing that, Robert Red Bull, and then you do like this. You go here in the corner and you see exit, and then you have closed Steam. This was my video today, and that was a good video. Bye.